children, welcome to today's session. So in the last session we have learned word problems, quick tips, isn't it? Yes. So in this session also we will be learning the same thing. Okay. So everyone take your studio kana, take pencil along with you. Now see, Sweta and her team fed 178 stray animals. Okay, we are going to see the activity 8.9 kana. So here also same word problem they have given. Okay, in January. Okay, Sweta and her team fed 178 stray animals in January, 203 in February, and 452 in March. How many stray animals did they feed in the 3 months? So in these 3 months, for how many animals they feed? Okay, so that means you want to add. Yes, very good. Okay, so steps and all you want to take and write kana. Okay. So do this activity by yourself, Kana. Sit along with your parents and complete this activity. So already we have learned one word problem, isn't it? So same way you want to write the steps. Okay. And here also you want to put the tick which operation we are doing. Okay. And working part you want to do the calculation. Okay. And the team also kept 207 water bowls for stray animals to drink water. 23 of them broke. How many water bottles are left? So left means you want to do the subtraction. For this sum, you want to do the subtraction. Steps and all you want to take and write. Okay. So this is also homework. Okay. You can do by yourself in studio. Okay. Sit along with your parents. Okay. Then you can do it by yourself. Kana. Okay. See here working area is there and do it here. And are there stray animals near your house, Kana? In near your home, any stray animals are there? If it is there means you can take the yes option. If you are not having any stray animals, if you are not having any stray animals means you can put the no option. Okay? Yes. How would you want to care for them, Kana? If you are having stray animals, how will you take care of that? So you want to put the tick options. Will you care like this? See in this picture how she is taking care of this dog. See, she is feeding food, she is giving milk, and she is giving carpet to sleep, isn't it? So will you all follow these steps to take care of the animals, Kana? If yes, yes, you will have to put the tick mark. Okay, so you have to take care of the pet animals, isn't it? Yes. Now see here, do you think we should care for stray animals, Kana? Yes, definitely we should take care of that animals. Okay, so that small animals, pet dogs, pet animals and stray animals, all we should take care. Okay, yes. Next see, Kana, look beyond activity 8.10. Create a question to solve using the given numbers. So what do we want to do? We want to create a question for the word problem. Okay, yes, this is somewhat different, isn't it? Yes. So they have given the names, they have given the location at the market, and they have given the numbers. So by using these three, we want to create the question. Okay. Now see here, Kana. So you can create by your own. Here I have written Diya and Janani went to a market. Okay. They bought apples for rupees 474 and pineapple for rupees 245. Okay, how much money they spend in total? So totally how much money they spend, Kana? So total means yes, you have to do the addition. So you have to find the total amount both of them spend. So like this you want to create a question by your own. Okay, next see, Kana, we can see the think and ink activity 8.11. Okay, so Rashid packed 704 blankets to send to Kolkata. Okay, he also packed 164 to send to Mumbai and 76 to send to Chennai. How many blankets did he send in total? Okay, now see here, Kana, they are asking how much blankets he sent in total. Okay, how many blankets? So you want to take and write the steps like this. See, number of blankets sent to Kolkata, number of blankets sent to Mumbai, number of blankets sent to Chennai, and you want to find the total. So you want to put the tick option for plus symbol because total. Working area, you want to take and write the numbers and you want addition. So all these three numbers you want to take and write. See, in this way you want to take and write, Kana, this 2-digit number from ones place and tens place you want to start writing. Okay, then you want to add. So what is the total number of blankets? Yes, 944. So you want to take and write. So he sent 944 blankets. Okay. See, Kana, next problem number 3 you're having. Okay. So this also home fun. You can do by yourself in studio. Okay. So how we did the first one, like that the second problem also you can do by yourself. Okay. See the working area and all they have given. In this place you want to do the calculation. Okay. Yes. So next we came to the end of this lesson, Kana. See here we came to the concept map. Okay. See, we can add and subtract 3-digit numbers. Okay. So we can add and subtract 3-digit numbers. Adding 10 or 100 to a number or subtracting 10 or 100 from a number is the same as skip counting in tens or hundreds. Okay. So skip counting also how we did. So adding 10 or 100 to a number, skip counting also we have completed in that problem, isn't it? So forward means we will do the addition. So skip counting backward means we can do the subtraction. See here, while adding we skip count whether forward or backward. Yes, forward. While adding we skip count forward. Okay, here you want to write forward. And while subtracting we skip count, very good, backward. Okay, so while adding we skip count forward and while subtracting we skip count backward. Now see here, Kana, we use addition when there is an dash in the quantity. See, already we have learned addition means yes, increase in quantity. Okay, we use subtraction when there is a decrease in quantity. So addition means increase in quantity, subtraction means decrease in quantity. Okay, children. And after that question time they have given, Kana. Okay, so both addition and subtraction problems they have given. Okay, so you have to do these problems. Okay, if you're doing more addition problems, that will help you to do the sums. Okay, so it will be practice for you. Okay, so do complete this question time. Okay, Kana. And one more word problem also they have given. Okay, so this also do it. Okay, if you're completing and if you're doing all these problems, it will be practice for you. Okay, how many problems you are doing, so you will be more practice so that you can get thorough with the addition and subtraction and also the word problem. Okay, so complete these sums in your studio, Kana. Okay, so complete this question time also. We can see the next new lesson, Kana. Okay, bye.